Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the language in Facebook Messenger application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes and write comments under the video. And let's get down to our topic. And if you open the Facebook Messenger application and here you go through all the settings that are in this application, unfortunately, you won't find a language setting. That's because this application adjusts to the language that is installed on your phone. So if, for example, my phone is currently in English, the Messenger app will be in English. In order to change the language in this application, you need to go to Settings, then go to Basic. And here you will find the Language and Region section. Go to it. And you can apply any language that you have already added here. You can also add another language. To do this, click Add Language and select the one that you feel comfortable with. I'm going to choose Korean, for example. And after that, you'll need to save it. And as you can see, the phone is now in language switching mode. And now, as you can see, the phone is now completely in Korean. And if you go to the Facebook Messenger app, you can see that all the settings and everything is now in a different language as well. You can also go back to the settings at any time. Go to Main, go to Languages, and then change the language to the one you want. To do this, you can drag and drop a language. To do this, you will need to click on it and move it up, and confirm that you want to change the language. Wait for the language to reset and continue to use the phone in the language you are comfortable with. Friends, this is how you can easily change the language in Facebook Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.